LCD replacement, and deep cleaning on Asus X455LA laptop. He sells this unit to us with a defective LCD screen. Now we proceed on repairing it and hoping we could use it for something useful in the future. Removing the motherboard. Replacing the LCD screen in your laptop is a worthwhile investment when the device is still usable, as it can significantly extend its lifespan and restore full functionality. This approach is cost-effective compared to purchasing a new laptop, allowing you to continue benefiting from your existing device's performance and capabilities by opting for an LCD replacement. You can address issues like cracks, dead pixels, or display malfunctions without having to replace the entire laptop, making it a practical and economical choice for maintaining your technology. Putting back the bezel frame of the LCD. Installing it carefully. Deep cleaning an old laptop is essential to improve its performance and extend its lifespan. By removing dust and debris from the internal components, you enhance cooling efficiency, prevent overheating, and ensure smoother operation, making your laptop run more efficiently and reliably, brushing the fan blades. Putting new thermal compound. Putting back the heat pipes and the heatsink fans. Putting back the motherboard. Installing the optical drive. Putting back the palm rest and keyboard. Screwing it all in. LCD replacement and deep cleaning is done. Visit our shop to avail our service. Follow our page for more videos. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned.